Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel Game Time FX. Today I'm going to show you how to get a $50 free no deposit bonus that you can use and trade Forex and also be able to withdraw profits for yourself. So stick with me to the end of this video because there's a bonus that I'm going to offer by the end of this video. So let me not waste your time, let's just go straight to it. So the broker that's offering this $50 no deposit bonus is this one via Visitor Capital Markets. So when you navigate to this page, the link to this page is going to be on the description of this video. It's going to be on the description of this video. So when you have navigated to this page, you're going to see this button which says claim your bonus. Don't worry, by the end of this video, I'll also tell you the terms and conditions, which are easy. So when you have clicked on the claim bonus, you'll be navigated to the area where you have to fill in your details. So I'm going to just pause this video and complete this section. So after you have finished signing up for this website, you're going to be taken to this page, and the first thing you're going to do on this page is to verify your email. You'll be given a link to verify your email. That's the very first thing that's going to happen. I've already done those things. So after you've verified your email, you're going to have to click this button here. You're going to have to let me show you. You're going to click this button over here, this one over here. So after clicking on it, after clicking on that button, you're going to click on profile. Let me show you too. You're going to click on the profile. After clicking on profile, you have to click on submit documents. So after submitting the documents, after clicking on submit documents, then you will be asked to submit your KYC details, because after submitting the KYC details, that is when the $50 no deposit bonus account will be credited to you. You must be fully verified before you get the $50 no deposit bonus. So after submitting it, you're going to have to wait for 24 hours. According to the information I've gathered so far, you're going to have to wait for 24 hours before getting a feedback on the no deposit bonus. Mind you, this is a new broker. This is a very new broker. So opening of accounts is not available right now. It's only the bonus that is available. Opening of live accounts is not available right now. So I'm going to show you the withdrawal proof that I have seen so far of this no deposit bonus. So this is the screenshot of the no deposit bonus that I have seen so far. As you can see, this is the screenshot. This is also another screenshot of the withdrawal proof that I have seen so far from this no deposit bonus. So speaking about the terms and conditions, so this is the terms and conditions of this no deposit bonus. After you have been credited this no deposit bonus account, you are going to have to achieve a minimum of 3 lot size. You can see it here, a minimum of 3 lot size. That is what the client has to achieve in order to withdraw the profits that has been made so far from this no deposit bonus account. So aside from this, I said I was going to talk about the bonus by the end of this video, and this is the bonus. So this is the bonus I was talking about. On my Telegram channel, I post signals every single time for you to be able to pass these challenges of this no deposit bonus and be able to withdraw the profits that you have made from the no deposit bonus without you having to have initial knowledge of how to trade Forex or trade in particular. So you can do well to check on the description of this video and join my Telegram channel and be able to also copy trades as soon as possible. Also on my Telegram channel, that's the first place I notify whenever I post videos. So please, if you get any value from this video, do well to give me a thumbs up and also do well to like and share and subscribe. So that'll be all for now. Peace.